Hey! I'm your Swedish bikini model Lina, and I'm here to show you how to troubleshoot your air conditioner. Det är mina drömmar vävda av. Here in Sweden, the summers are mild, and it rarely gets above 22 Celsius, or 70 degrees. To me, Colorado summers are extreme, and I'm a girl that likes to stay cool. If my AC goes out, så blir jag jävligt arg! That never works, and could ruin a pedicure. But there are a few things you can do. First, check your thermostat to see if it's set on cool and set below the temperature in the room. You can also turn your fan switch on to make sure you're getting power to the AC. If not, check your breaker. If the furnace blower is running and there is ice around the unit, then shut the outside unit down and let the ice thaw. Make sure the filter is clean and not restricting airflow. Finally, make sure your registers are free from obstruction. If that doesn't work, then go to reamteamcomfort.com. I wish we would have had those boys back in Sweden.